Hey everybody, it's Tanya Atomic. Today we've got HorrorPack unboxing, and this is the first time, I think this is November, because I think it came a little late, because I know they're getting their stuff changed around. Did they switch to Blu-rays only? I think they did. But anyway, they have had a big revamp of their website, and their whole way they do things, but not the way they package all 4 Blu-rays in here. And I believe I just threw something, I think just part of this package, but anyway, I believe that they did a whole new revamp and that this is the first new package. And the very first thing we have in here is Rings, a thrilling return to franchise roots. I think I've seen this one. I'm not sure. But I've seen the American version, the Korean version, and the original Japanese version of several of the films, so I feel like I've seen this one. But it was a long time ago. And then, oh, I've been wanting to see this. Kill Her Goats. You guys know what Ring is, right? It's like you watch a video and then you die in a few days or something. And then the phone rings, you die. Okay, so, and the girl in the well and all that. You guys know Ring. Come on. This is Kane Hodder is in this. All practical effects, it says on the back. It's advertising that, so the effects must be great. This girl is given a dream house, but it becomes a living nightmare when uninvited guests come to her homecoming party. They don't approve of the home's new owner. So there's that. So, and I've been hearing good things about that. Dude Bro Party Massacre 3. I have seen this one. This is just, you know, a crazy, silly movie. Yeah. Crazy, silly movie. And I've seen it before. Is it the HorrorPack exclusive? Yes, it is. HorrorPack limited edition. That's funny. So they always have one limited edition. Typically, I mean, I feel like that's been going on for at least a year, if not longer. And then Nazi Undead. His House, Your Nightmare. Nazi Undead. So, says a young American couple venture to the heartland of Germany for a romantic holiday. Things take a sinister turn when they encounter the ghost of a Nazi SS officer in an isolated farmhouse, thrusting them into a vortex of horror. You know that's bad when you're in a vortex of horror. So we've got Nazi Undead. We've got Dude Bro Party Massacre 3. And just so you know, there's not a 1 and 2. That's you know, a crazy comedy title there. Kill Her Goats, which I've been wanting to see, and Rings. So, and these are all Blu-rays, and the prices have gone up a little bit, although I do appreciate getting the exclusive one, and this kind of comes in a nice package, and it's still way cheaper than you could get all 4 singularly. So you are still getting value in here, although things have changed. So you might want to look at the website horrorpack.com to see before you sign up, or if you have a subscription, you want to make sure you've re-upped for a new one, because everybody's subscription is getting canceled, and you have to go in and purchase a new subscription. So there you go. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Hopefully nobody's having any problems or issues with their subscription. Let me know what you guys think. Which one of these movies is your favorite or you're most interested in? And that's it for today's video. As always, thanks for watching.